Okay, for exercise 4.1 we are going to create a part or design that looks like this one. I've already done this, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, and then after you constrain it, you close it, it looks like this, and then we pad it to look like this, which is sort of a flange or something for a car. So this is what we want to create in exercise 4.1. So let's start by doing this, and I'm going to create a okay, let's just cancel this for a moment and file new. I'm going to create a new body, a new sketch in the XY plane. Okay, this is where we are. So we are going to start creating this thing from scratch. First of all, a circle. We'll start with a circle on the origin point. This circle will be about 25 according to the book. So let's do this 25 according to the book. Okay, there we go. Then another circle. Let's create another circle on this side. We'll do it like this, and we'll create another circle on this side. Oops, it's a little bit big, like this. This circle, the size of the circle, let's go for 10, and then we say this circle and this circle is equal. Good. We're going to set the distance between these two circles at, okay, let's make it 120 just for the fun of it. It's a little bit further apart, it would work better for us. This circle 25, it's fine, we can leave it like that for now. And we set the distance from here to the origin point, from the first circle to the origin point, and that horizontal distance, make it 60 to make it quite even, like that. Okay, now our sketch at this moment is fully constrained with the three circles. That's the way we do it always. We first do the parts, then constrain it, then move on to the next part. So the next part is using the polyline, and then we'll start doing this again. So I'm going to start from the top polyline, draw a line to this side, click, draw a line to this side, let's do it there, click, draw a line to this side, click, and draw a line to this side, and click. Then right click to exit. Now before we start this, we need to make sure that all the polylines are connected. So the best thing you can do is just to move this thing around, see that everything is connected like this. Okay, so if all the points, if you tested all the points and see that they are connected, you're in business. Normally when you're at this point, it should show you there is like 4 degrees of freedom left to do. So we first want to round these corners. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use the fillet key. So we're going to do this and then select like that and like that. Look at where I'm selecting it to get the round that I want. So we always try to get it as close as possible from the start. I'm going to do it right there and right there, closing it up like that and like that. Okay, so there is the first part of it. It's not done yet, but this is what it looked like after we fillet it. Okay, next we need to connect this round circle to that point there. So we click on the spot of the circle, on the point of the circle and the point of the circle there. So we want these two circles to coincide, so we do a coincidence with this. And the same goes for these two. We do the same thing, we coincident them. Then with these two we do the same thing. We click on that thing and that thing, we coincident them, and we click on that one and that one and we coincident them. There we go. Now we can say this one's radius, I'm going to take down to 45, and this one and this one is equal. There we go. Then this one's radius take it to 13, and we say this one and this one is equal, and we have a fully constrained sketch here. Great, that's fantastic. So all that's left to do is to close this. There we are, and then we pad it. So we can click on pad there. We've padded it. We can lift the pad up a little bit to make it thicker. Normally when it's a flange, it will be a little bit thinner than that, like something like that, 5mm. And that is the challenge. Exercise 4.1 challenge is to create a flange that looks like this. Fantastic, guys. We did it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.